Good morning everybody, good morning and welcome to our very first ride on the Fallen Bikes this year. So I'm here with Katie, of course.
Morning everybody, happy 2026.
Yeah, 2026, amazing. So our very first time out on the Fallen Bikes, and we are on Hadrian's Way. We're going to be cycling part of Hadrian's Way today from Prudhoe towards Newcastle. We're not exactly sure how far we're going to go yet because, as you probably know, Katie had a really bad ankle recently, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah,
Fell over.
Yeah, she fell over. Katie fell over when we were up the lakes. I mentioned in the videos before, walked at one of the Wainwrights and Katie twisted her ankle really badly and did some nerve damage to her ankle. And you've been bad way, haven't you, for 17 weeks or something? 17 weeks, 18 weeks?
30 odd weeks.
30 weeks?
September.
30 odd weeks. 30 odd weeks she's been, they said she would have been better off if she broke her ankle. So yeah, so she's been through hell with her ankle. So this is the very first time she's got feet out, ankles out today.
Outside.
Outside,
Been
yeah.
on an exercise bike.
Yeah, what's that?
Chickens.
Oh, right. Oh, for Easter.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the first time Katie's used her ankles
On an outside bike.
on an outside bike in the wild, in anger. And hopefully she's going to be all right. You are going to be all right, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, she is going to be all right. Positive thinking. So we one of our favourite routes here. We love coming along here because it's a nice, steady, little easy ride. It's a good start to the year on the Fallen Bikes, and the surface is brilliant, as you can see here. It's mostly very smooth, isn't it, Katie?
Yeah.
They've been spending loads of money on this, upgrading the service and stuff, and it's fantastic. So if you're ever through this way, try it out. Obviously you don't have to start at Prudhoe. You can start at Newcastle. You can even start over at Carlisle. Is it Carlisle starts the Hadrian's Way?
I'm not sure.
I think it might start over Carlisle Way. But it goes over to Tynemouth, yeah. So we're doing a small section of it today. Sometimes we go through Newcastle from here, but I don't think we'll be going that far today. Not with Katie's ankle, so just going to see how far we'll go. But it's good to be out. Very good to be out on the Fallen Bikes. Go on, Katie, go on. Fantastic, well done, well done. Well done, that's a steep hill there, look. First time out with that dodgy ankle. That was amazing. Well done, Katie. Yeah, best not tell Katie's physio. She just went up there like that. That was amazing, mate. I mean, the first Katie could hardly walk on her foot, could you, Katie? And she just pedaled up that steep little hill. It's only a little hill, but it's pretty steep. It does show what perseverance can do, you're right, it does. In exercises and stretches and stuff, yeah. You know, sorry? Yeah. Did the exercise like you told? Yeah, from the physio. Yeah. Yeah, Kate's been religiously doing her exercises to get her fitness and walking still, and going to work and doing 12-hour shifts and things. So yeah, when Katie injured her foot, she bought herself a cheap exercise bike off Facebook Marketplace, wasn't it? Yeah. Facebook Marketplace. Was it £20 we paid? Yeah. £20, and it's a pretty good one. It's got like a disc wheel at the front, like a weighted disc wheel, and she's been using that, haven't you, to get yourself back to fitness? Yeah. Just, you know, spinning it very loosely, just no like sort of pressure on it, not much tension on it. But it's obviously made a difference, massive difference. So we are on route number 72. Hope you can see it on the sign okay there, because the sky's quite bright behind. Hadrian's Cycleway, route number 72. And it's a cracking route, it really is. There's a train just gone past actually down on the right side, because just down here, it's train tracks. And look at this bridge, look. Very cool bridge this is, mate. Look at this. So So as you can see, this surface is absolutely amazing. It's really, really good, dead smooth, and suitable for anybody. Families, anybody can come along here. Wheelchairs or anything, couldn't they, Katie?
Oh, easily.
Easily. It's really smooth. They keep spending money on this and redoing the surfaces and re-tarmac it and stuff, and it's really good. I mean, it wasn't bad before. It was just a little bit gravelly, but now it's even better. It's fantastic. And we've got a tunnel to come into. Oh, silly noise time, Katie. Silly noise time. You have to make silly noises going through tunnels. It's the law, isn't it, Katie?
It's the law.
It's the law. You have to. But yeah, it's a really good service. And we're coming into, is it Wylam now we're coming into?
Yeah.
Yeah, coming into Wylam. And there's a car park actually at Wylam as well, so you can actually park here if you want. We've parked at the bottom of Prudhoe, next to the train station.
Which is free.
Which is free.
This one's free.
Is this one free as well?
Yeah.
This one's free. Something's a bit more busy this one, because it's in the middle of, it's a village, isn't it, isn't it?
Free.
Oh yeah. Blossom looks lovely, look at that.
A lot of people park here in the dark.
Yeah. But as you can see, this is popular parking. There's two lads here in front, just come on the bikes. They're parked in there. And there's actually some, have we gone past it?
Yeah.
Gone past it. Yeah, there's a little tool station just back there. I'm sure I didn't show you, but it's got like, you know, a pump and some basic tools to fix your bike as well, which is good. I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Cadence, the cycling app that can replace an expensive cycle computer. Available for Android and Apple devices, Cadence is your go-to app for tracking runs, rides and indoor workouts and gives you over 100 stats. Cadence uses GPS, barometer, pedometer, Apple Watch and Bluetooth sensors to map and track your activities, which you can customize however you like. It's got built-in turn-by-turn navigation and you can easily import routes or create your own. You can even share your live location or compete on Strava segments right in the app. It's all private, all powerful, and it's all in your pocket. So I mentioned this before down here, for anybody who's been a long time viewer of the channel, but George Stephenson house is down here. The inventor of the steam engine. But his house is just down here on the side, and he was inspired. He saw people using horse and carts and things down here. He was inspired to create the steam engine. Is that right, Kitty? George Stephenson was inspired to create the steam engine because he saw
wagons.
Yeah.
First proper wagon.
First, yeah. The Wagonway.
Horses.
Instead of horses, because he saw people like struggling up and down here with heavy loads and things apparently. And his house is just down here. It's very smart actually. Very, very smart. So there you go. George Stephenson's birthplace. There's a little plaque there. There we go. But yeah, look at this for a route. Look at this. Doesn't get much better than this, does it, Katie? No. Awesome. It does remind us of the Centre Parks, yeah. Well, that bench, how cool is that? Absolutely brilliant. Nature on the Wagonway. So we're halfway down, just past Katie there. This track. We'll just come down that way, and we're going to have a seat and enjoy that view. Just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Hadrian Cycleway, Scotswood, Newcastle, Tynemouth and Shields. And then that way which we've just come. Wylam, Corbridge and Hexham. And Prudhoe, which is not on that side, but that's where we've come from. So you can go down that way. And we used to go down that way. Or you can actually go down the roadway as well if you wanted to. That's Katie very nicely demonstrates. You meet all sorts of people when you're out on the bikes, and we just met a really nice bloke there. I didn't catch your name, mate, but it was really nice to meet you. Really nice to meet you if you see this video. But another fellow cyclist, and A good crack, good bit of chat. That's one of the good things about being on your bike. You meet all sorts of people, have a good crack with people, meet folk. It's great stuff. Me and Katie are heading down here, and this heads down to the park here, doesn't it?
It does.
It's down to the park where we normally get ice cream. We're getting ice cream, Katie. Yeah.
No ice cream today.
No ice cream today.
No, you can't have ice cream.
No ice cream today. I can't have ice cream. Yeah.
Can't have cake.
Can't have cake. Me and Katie have stopped eating cake and chocolate and things like that for Lent, just to give us a bit of a health kick heading into the spring and summer. Yeah, be finished on Sunday coming, and then we can eat chocolate and cake and stuff again. Brilliant. But yeah, we've been there. How long has it been for? How many weeks?
I think like 6 weeks.
So like 6 weeks we've had no chocolate, cake, anything like that. Crisps, ice cream, biscuits, anything kind of yummy. So yeah, so we're not going to be having ice cream down here.
The ice cream man won't be here today.
Will you not?
No.
Not warm enough? Or you're just willing not to be here?
Yeah.
So we've come off that road there, and now we're heading to the park. And you can go through this park to stay on Hadrian's Way. We just came down the road there. So it's an alternative route if you want to come down the road, or you can go through the park. We'll be going back through the park so you can see, because they've spent a lot of money in there as well, been resurfacing that track as well. Tell you what, man, it's like a summer's day. It's beautiful. What a lovely day. Yesterday was lovely, today is lovely. It's great when the good weather comes, isn't it? Makes a massive difference. You don't like the wind, do you, Dan?
No,
No.
I don't like them.
No. Nobody likes the wind on a bike. Bit of a breeze, but this surface has all been redone as well. As you can see here, this was all gravel, Katie, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Remember? This was all gravel, and then they resurfaced it. And now it's all super smooth. Super smooth. And we're still going beside the river here. And not far from the airport neither. As you can see, there's an airplane there, just taking off. Probably too far away to see on this camera. It's pretty low. And all the blossoms starting to come out of the trees. Awesome. So we're coming around a big circle. We went through the park, and then we're heading back down Hadrian's Way, back towards Wylam and then Prudhoe. And we're getting a shout out of the crows as well. Got a little bit of a headwind this way, haven't we, Katie?
Yeah.
Tiny little bit of a headwind, but not too bad. Just a little bit of a breeze. Heading this way. But it's so nice to be out on the phone bikes. Do you agree, Katie?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah?
Lovely.
Yeah. Good to be back out on them again, isn't it? I've said many times on the channel that if riding the phone bikes is nothing like riding an old bike. They're so unusual and quirky and very agile and just fun. It's like being a kid again. Brilliant. Nothing like any of the other bikes. Great fun. If you haven't tried it, give it a try at some point. It really is good. And you don't have to spend a fortune. These weren't expensive phone bikes. So we're coming back to Wylam, and we're now heading back towards Prudhoe, not far off Prudhoe. I don't know how far it'll be when we get back to you, Katie.
I'll tell you when we get
Yeah, we'll tell you how far we do when we get back. But it's not about the mileage, is it? It's about how much fun it is. And this is a lovely little ride. It's a lovely route. Let's see, and do a small bit like when your kids do today. Now you do a much bigger section. But Hadrian's Way is a really nice route. And even when you get in the middle of Newcastle, it's still nice because you're going along the quayside. So you're away from traffic most of the time. A couple of parts here on the path beside the roads. Yeah, but obviously you're not actually on the roads. And it's good. It's a good route. Very good. So we're nearly back. Nearly back where we started. And we'll tell you in a few minutes how far we've been. But it's been a good ride, hasn't it, Kitty?
a very good ride.
You enjoyed your first ride out?
I have really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's very good to get out. First time on the phone bikes. Brilliant fun as always. Thanks for joining us. Take care of yourselves and see you all soon. See you later. Bye bye.